The situation with BNB is very unusual, and that's because of the relative valuation to Bitcoin and Ethereum. Before we go into those charts, let's first look at the US dollar chart. What I noticed here is that even though the price went already quite a bit down from the all-time high, right, 57% from the top in May of 2021, the total value locked on the chain went down much more. It went down from more than 21 billion to currently 4.7 billion, which is a drop of 78%. So the assets that are traded within the Binance Smart Chain, they contracted more in value than the overarching gas token, the BNB token. BNB is the fourth largest of the cryptocurrencies. If you take out Tether, which is a stablecoin, it's actually the third largest. It's roughly 1/4 of the size compared to Ethereum. The thing that's a little bit worrying is that smart contract platforms that are somewhat centralized and that are cheap aren't that hard to replicate. And so BNB does get more competition. The main competition that I currently see is in Arbitrum. Look at how here the total value locked develops. It's almost hitting the all-time highs again. Currently 1.9 billion. At the all-time high, it was at 2.5. A very different kind of recovery. If you compare this to the chart of the Binance Smart Chain. Now you can't directly bet on Arbitrum because there is no native token. This is simply just a scaling solution to Ethereum. But you can still look at the ecosystem tokens and potentially bet on those. So that's here at DeFi Llama /chain /Arbitrum. Now let's come to those relative valuations. This is BNB relative to Bitcoin. This looks very bullish. A positive trend, so BNB tends to outperform Bitcoin. Also just recently a relative valuation high in November of 2022. And currently at the bottom of that trend, it does appear like we are bouncing off that floor. So this is pretty much the setup you want for any technical analysis. You want a positive trend and you want to be low within that positive trend. Now this is what's bullish. What's bearish, unfortunately, and this is why the BNB situation is somewhat uncommon, is the setup relative to Ethereum. And this might be actually somewhat more relevant because BNB and Ethereum are more in the same kind of asset class, right, as in smart contract platforms. Bitcoin is more or less in its own class. And so this was a prediction I once drew for the premium members. That was a few weeks back. And it seems to be playing out exactly that way. So Ethereum seems to be gaining market share against BNB, and BNB is simply facing a lot of competition. What's also worth noting are the best moving averages. So in case you are following this channel for a while, you know exactly what those are. So whenever the price is below, we rather tend to fall. Whenever the price is above, we rather tend to rise in the price. And in turquoise, you see the best SMA, and in red, the best EMA. Now this is very active, right? You have to trade this very, very actively in order to gain outperformance versus just buying and holding. So this is not necessarily a prediction of what's going to happen in the next months, but simply just for the next few days, it does not necessarily look bullish, right? You want to be in the market when the price is above at least one of those moving averages. Look at the situation the following. BNB doesn't look clearly bullish or clearly bearish, but on the other hand, there is a lot of activity due to the low fees on the chain. So whenever I see great opportunities, then I still jump in. I use the chain, so to speak, but I don't just park my money in the BNB token. I don't necessarily expect BNB to radically outperform the rest of the market. The upside potential isn't really there with market rank number 4. The relative valuation to Ethereum doesn't look that great. The best moving averages don't look that great. But I also don't see Binance and the Binance Smart Chain going anywhere. So it's another solid block in a somewhat diversified crypto portfolio. But instead of just holding the main token, the real opportunity lies in using those decentralized applications. If you're wondering what's going on with these moving averages, I have made a somewhat more comprehensive explanation in the last Cardano video. Feel free to check that out. It's currently on the screen. So looking forward to seeing that video, and thanks for watching this one. Bye-bye.